Every day, we use our kitchen faucet for everything from filling large pots and rinsing dishes to washing fruits and vegetables. But the right faucet can make all of those everyday jobs a lot easier. Today on Flow Fit DIY, we're taking a closer look at the KOHLER Artifacts K-99259-VS kitchen faucet, a high-arch pull-down faucet designed to combine modern style with practical functionality. We'll look at the design, spray functions, construction, and installation features so you can decide if this faucet is a good fit for your kitchen. Let's get started. Step 1. Design. The first thing you'll notice is the faucet's high-arch spout and vibrant stainless finish. The design has a clean, modern appearance, while the tall spout provides plenty of clearance inside the sink. That extra space can be especially useful when you're washing large pots, filling pitchers, or cleaning oversized dishes. The faucet uses a single handle design positioned on the right side, allowing you to control both water temperature and flow with one hand. Installation is deck-mounted, and the faucet can work with either a single-hole or three-hole sink configuration. If your sink has 3 holes, the included deck plate helps cover the additional openings for a cleaner finished look. The spout stands approximately 17.63 inches high, with about 8.5 inches of reach into the sink. Step 2. Pull-down spray functions. Now let's get to one of the most useful features, the pull-down spray head. Instead of being limited to the fixed position of a standard faucet, the spray head pulls down so you can easily reach different areas of the sink. And there are 3 spray functions to choose from. First, there's Stream, which is ideal for everyday tasks like filling a glass, pot, or container. Next is Berry Soft, a gentler water flow designed for rinsing delicate fruits and vegetables. And then there's Sweep Spray. This setting uses angled spray nozzles to create a wider, more powerful blade of water. It's particularly useful for rinsing dishes, breaking up stubborn food residue, and cleaning the inside of your sink. Once you're finished using the spray head, it docks securely back into position instead of simply hanging from the faucet. The faucet has a 1.8 gallons per minute flow rate and uses ceramic disc valves, which are designed for smooth operation and long-term durability. Step 3. Construction and installation. Another advantage is that the installation process is designed to be relatively straightforward. The pull-down hose and spray head come pre-installed, and flexible water supply lines are included. That means there's less preparation required before connecting the faucet underneath your sink. The faucet also features a metal handle and zinc construction, while the vibrant stainless finish is designed to help resist corrosion and tarnishing during everyday use. And because it supports both single-hole and 3-hole installations, you have some flexibility depending on your existing sink configuration. Just remember to shut off the water supply before beginning any faucet installation, and always check your connections for leaks after installation. Final thoughts. So, what do we have here? The KOHLER Artifacts K-99259-VS combines a tall high-arch design with a convenient pull-down spray head and 3 different spray functions. You get plenty of clearance for larger kitchen tasks, flexible reach around the sink, and a finish that's designed to complement a modern kitchen. The installation features are also convenient, especially if you're replacing an existing single-hole or 3-hole kitchen faucet. Overall, if you're looking for a kitchen faucet that combines modern design, flexible spray functionality, and practical everyday performance, the KOHLER Artifacts is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Flow Fit. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other DIY plumbing and kitchen faucet videos. We'll see you in the next one.